How to use iOS 15 live text on iPhone and iPad. How to use live text in the camera app. Open your camera app. Focus the camera on the text that you want to capture. Then tap on the text in the photo. You should see yellow corners appear and a button at the bottom right corner for the capture screen. Tap on the live text button. The text will then be digitalized. Select it by tapping and holding until a menu appears. Then choose what you want to do. How to use live text in the Photos app. Open the Photos app. Locate and open the image with text in it. Then tap on the text and wait until the live text icon appears at the bottom right corner. Tap on the live text icon and wait until the text is digitalized. Select the text by tapping and holding it until a menu appears. Then choose what you want to do with it. How to use live text in Safari browser. Open the Safari browser. Locate the image you want. Then tap and hold until a menu appears. Tap on Show Text. The text in the image will be digitalized. Select the text by tapping and holding it until a menu appears. Then choose what you want to do with it. How to email, call, look up an address with live text. Open the camera app on your device. Direct the camera to the phone number, email, or an address. Wait while the camera recognizes the text and yellow corners around it appear. Then tap on the live text icon at the bottom right corner of the capture area. When the text becomes digitalized, select the text by tapping and holding it until a menu pops up. Then, depending on what kind of information you captured, select if you want to call, send an email, or look up the address. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history, and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel